Hello, everybody. So what we are developing is an AR tracking technology. So we can track every tool what should get tracked. So it could be like a gaming pistol, or like a real pistol, or a lock pistol in this case, or also a screwdriver, which you can use in the industry, so that you can put on the digital car the screws out it, so you don't use controller or stuff like that. And also what is possible, maybe a pen or something. So we can build every tool which should get tracked. So that's what we are doing.
Sorry, these are just really neat prototypes out here. So tell me about what is this tool specifically? What can I learn how to use it using the headset?
Yes, so that was our first prototype. The other tool is already delivered to a car producer from Germany, and he is using it for the onboarding training inside of the production line. So that the trainee put the screws outside of the digital car at first and not on the real car. That is why we built this.
So if I were to put on the headset, I'd be able to see this real time.
So you see the digital car in front of you. You see the digital car in front of you, and you can work with this, with the screwdriver on the digital car.
And it's smart. It's got the buttons for both sides, just like on a real screwdriver device. When you're trying to wrench one way or the other, you flip that.
Yeah.
So it's very realistic.
So it's not like a controller,
Nope.
which is very lightly and so on.
So let's talk about this. What are the differences?
Yes.
Why are there two?
So this is for our gaming part. It's a gaming pistol, and this one is for for military and law enforcement training, which is over there. It's our MXR Tactics. It's it's also our company, and with this pistol you can train. You can make a scenario training. Austria.
Where can they shoot you an email though, or shoot you a website message?
So it's www.artechnology.at.
Check them out. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.
Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, or we'll be coming for you in VR. Thank you.